Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you add border to photos on iPhone or iPad. So guys, at first just go to photos and select the photo that you want to add a border. Here you can see after going to the photo in the top right edit, click on edit. And again in the top second right option here you can see there is a pen icon, click on this pen icon. Now in the bottom right side there is a plus icon, click on this plus icon. And click on add shape, the last one. Now just select the shape you want, just select from the first two. I'm selecting the first one. Now after selecting it, click the bottom, this third option, this white one. Now just make the opacity 0 and go back. Now in the bottom left side this color icon, just click on it and just choose the color that you want. Here you can see the border. Now you can just make the border by clicking it like this as you want. Now after that just adjust the border as you like by your hand. Like this. And after that just click the top right done. And by doing this you can just add a border to photos on iPhone or iPad. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you have find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.